Yeah, so demonstrating how you're able to communicate using the headphone amplifier with your artist who's in the booth there while you're here in the monitoring room. So this is a cable we use to connect to the snake cable. It is XLR, female XLR to male TRS. If you remember my other demonstration of these two, these two here, you see a difference. Tip ring sleeve, tip sleeve. Unbalanced signal, balanced signal. So with let's go make a demonstration because you were trying to demonstrate the literal use. So this is the studio, as you can see. If your artist, this is our snake cable and it goes all the way into the monitoring room there. You can just give a quick view. That's the snake cable. So if your artist was here to say, and you're all the way over there in the monitoring room, and you wanted to communicate with your artist, this is how you do it. With this connection here and everything set up, the moment you speak there, your artist will be able to get you from here while he's singing. You don't even have to shout. So that's the beauty of having this one here. This little gadget in your studio, headphone amplifier. I recommend it to avoid all that yelling. It's very inconveniencing and very I wouldn't encourage it for creativity's sake. It interrupts the energy flow. So yeah, make sure you get this. Yeah, with this said and done, the headphones, I'm sure I'll familiarize myself with a lot of it. Don't worry, I'm going to sort everything. All these cables you see, that's number one rule in the studio. Shopkeeping. Ensure your cables are well kept after the session is done so that you avoid inconveniencing a session. Let's say you've got a session abruptly right now. Say, hey, let's go. And things are this messed up. I'm going to have a hard time working my way around cables if they're like this. So this has to be worked on. Cable management. This is an example of poor cable management. So don't worry, that will be worked on. We're here now. This takes us to this. Last but not least, the most important piece of the studio. Microphone. Yep. This is the most important part in the studio, like a microphone, a recording studio. Let me paraphrase that statement. The most important part in the recording studio